Most traders see two candles with the same high and think, easy sell. They enter the trade, set a tight stop loss, and boom, they get stopped out before the market actually moves. Why? Because they are trading retail tweezers. Today, I'm going to show you the institutional tweezer. This isn't just about two candles having the same height. It's about a specific psychological shift where the force of the market literally dissolves in front of your eyes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to spot the ideal tweezer, why the time frame you're using might be lying to you, and the one negation rule that will save your account from 80% of false breakouts. If you want to stop being the liquidity and start trading with the momentum, let's dive into the prongs. A tweezer is a pattern of two or more candle lines with matching highs or lows. We call them tweezer tops and bottoms because, visually, they look like the two prongs of a pair of tweezers. In a rising market, a tweezer top is formed when two or more consecutive sessions hit a ceiling and can't break it. In a falling market, a tweezer bottom forms when the price hits a floor and refuses to sink. But here is the pro secret that boosts your win rate. The anatomy of the candles matters. The retail tweezer is just any two candles. The ideal tweezer must have a long first candle. This shows huge momentum, bullish force in a top, bearish force in a bottom. A small second real body. This is the most important part. The psychology, think about it. If the first session is a long green candle, the bulls are sprinting. But if the second session hits the exact same high but can only manage a tiny body, it means the force is dissolving. The bulls are exhausted. They hit the wall, and they couldn't push through. This shift from high momentum to zero momentum is your early warning signal. A tweezer on its own is a warning. A tweezer combined with another signal is a trade. Let's look at the four most powerful mixtures you need to memorize. 1. The Haramis cross tweezer. Imagine an ascent. You see a long green line followed by a doji. If that doji has the exact same high as the previous candle, you have a Haramis cross inside a tweezer. This is a massive red alert. The market has gone from full power to complete indecision at the exact same price point. 2. The hanging man tweezer. This is a trap setter. You see a long green candle followed by a hanging man. If they share the same high, the trap is set. But wait, a hanging man needs bearish confirmation. If the next candle opens, or better yet, closes, below that hanging man's body, the odds are now 90% that the top is in. 3. The shooting star tweezer. This is my personal favorite. A long green candle followed by a shooting star with the same high. The shooting star shows that the bulls tried to break out, got rejected, and were pushed all the way back down. This isn't just a tweezer. It's a failed breakout. 4. The deep test hammer. In a downtrend, look for a long red candle. If the next candle is a hammer that tests that same low and bounces, it proves the sellers have lost control. This successful test of support is often a Haramis variation and acts as a rock-solid floor. Not every tweezer looks like a textbook example. Sometimes the second candle isn't small, but it's still a tweezer. Look at this chart. This is a dark cloud cover variation. Usually, a dark cloud opens above the prior day's high. In this variation, it opens above the close, but its high just touches the prior high and then collapses. Because both sessions have the exact same highs, it adds massive negative impact. It's like the market tried twice to break a level and failed both times. The same applies to the bullish piercing line. A true piercing line opens under the prior day's low. But if it opens under the close and shares the exact same low as the previous candle, I still view it as a tweezer bottom. The matching low is the anchor that tells you the support is real. This is where most YouTube gurus get it wrong. You cannot trade a tweezer on a 1-minute chart the same way you do on a weekly chart. Intraday and daily charts. On these time frames, matching highs and lows happen by accident all the time. To trade a tweezer here, you must have that special combination. The first candle must be long, and the second must be small or a specific pattern like a shooting star. If you just see two random candles with the same high on a 15-minute chart, ignore it. It's noise. Weekly and monthly charts. Here, the rules change. A weekly low that successfully holds last week's low is a major event. Even without a small body or a hammer, a tweezer on a weekly chart is a valid reversal pattern. Why? Because it represents a full week of trading failing to break a level. That is a base for a massive rally. Even the best patterns fail. You need to know when you're wrong so you can exit small before the loss gets big. Look at this 0.1 and 0.2 combination. It's a tweezer top. It's even a harami. You might be tempted to short the market here. However, look at the technical picture. Was the market overextended? Was it overbought? If not, the tweezer is less likely to hold. Now look at point 3. As soon as the market closes above the high of those tweezer sessions, the bearish implication is negated. Dead. Finished. If you are short, you must get out. The tweezer proved that there was resistance, but point 3 proved that the bulls eventually overwhelmed it. Let's put it all together. In this chart of Dell, look at the descent. We see a series of windows or gaps, 1, 2, and 3. These gaps keep the bearish momentum in force. Finally, we see a tweezer bottom where the second candle is a hammer. This is your signal to stop shorting. Later, we see 2 hammers side by side. Are they classic tweezers? No, because the first candle wasn't long. But look at those long lower shadows. They are rejecting lower prices at the exact same level. I call this a variation tweezer, and it's a powerful sign of stabilization. Then, we see a tweezer top. The second candle is a hanging man. We wait for confirmation. The next candle closes lower, and the move down begins. To master tweezers, remember these 3 rules. Confirmation is king. Always look for a second signal, hammer, shooting star, harami, to join the tweezer. Context is queen. Only sell tweezer tops in overbought markets. Only buy tweezer bottoms in oversold markets. Mind the time frame. Be strict on daily charts, but be aggressive on weekly charts. If you see a tweezer top followed by a small real body, the force is dissolving. That is your cue to prepare for the reversal. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you understand price action better, and subscribe so you don't miss our next videos.